Hello everybody, welcome back to Law Addiction. So friends, in today's video, we'll be going to discuss the grounds of acquittal of Rahim in 2002's murder case. आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं राम रहीम एक्विटल केस की वो ग्राउंड्स जिन ग्राउंड्स के बेसिस पे पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट एक्विट्स हिम इन 2002 रंजीत सिंह मर्डर केस. So friends, this acquittal judgment was passed by the divisional bench of Honorable Justice Sureshwar Thakur and Justice Lalit Batra. So the very first ground was the prosecution failed to establish the motive of the accused, and the second one is the threats that has been involved in the present case. The prosecution also failed to describe and establish the death threats which were given to the victim. The second ground was the testimony of the witnesses. The testimony of the witnesses was quite unreliable and they were not corroborative at all. So this was also a weak point in the present case and hence a ground for the acquittal. Another ground was that witness caused by CBI. The another ground that is CBI has caused the witness and compelled them to give a statement against the Ram Rahim. This was the another ground on which he got acquitted. And the next ground was the weapon which was involved in the present offense. After receiving the ballistic report, it was established that weapon was never used in the present case which was being involved in the case. And the next ground was lapse in investigation. So there were various discrepancies in the investigation. For example, the vehicle that was used and no site plan was being prepared. And the most important aspect was the post-mortem report. Post-mortem report was also inconsistent to the testimony of the eyewitnesses. The witnesses which was present on the spot of the incident, that were the eyewitnesses, and that testimony of those witnesses was quite inconsistent with the results of the post-mortem report. And the another most important aspect was the polygraph test. The polygraph test was also conducted in the present case and with the consent of the accused, and this test was also in the favor of the accused. So these were the major grounds on which the Ram Rahim got acquittal orders in his favors by the Honorable Bench of Punjab Haryana High Court.